Hello friends, today we are gonna learn about 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, hear and touch. These are our eyes. They help you see everything around us. I use my eyes to watch cartoon on the TV. The sun is shining bright in the sky. The sky is blue in the evening. These are our ears. They help us hear different things like music, the birds chirping, or a horn of a car. This is our nose. Ew, what a stinky smell. That could have been the smell from the garbage bin outside. This is our nose. It helps us smell different things. And when I smell it, it's stinky. And something delicious, like a mug of hot chocolate. This is our tongue. It helps us taste different things like pizza, cake, and also some other things. I like things are spicy, bitter, sweet, and sour. This is our skin. It helps us feel different things. And this is the clay and this is the wood. The clay feels soft and the wood feels hard. The people use the skin to feel things that things are hot, cold, and liquid. This is the end of this 5 senses video. If you wanna watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Fatir. Fatir. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye. See you later.